Alright guys, I'm sure y'all have already seen this house like 4 times, but you saw it in different stages, right? You saw when we first got here and we put it under contract. You saw when we were cleaning it up. You saw it when it was cleaned up. And now this is what you call a hotel deal. So we're gonna list this on the market tomorrow. We're gonna walk this house real quick and take good pictures to list it tomorrow on the MLS. All right guys, so one thing that I'm really big about is mindset, okay? Mindset is the difference between success and failure, like literally. The difference between you not making it happen and the difference between you getting to the top is all in your head, all right? And I really do believe in that. So me and my girl said we go back and forth all the time about different strategies we use, and so I just kind of wanted to bring it to y'all's attention. So if you can get, if you're a new real estate wholesaler, a lot of people on my channel are getting into this. What's some mindset tips you think you can give them for, you know, being successful?
Yeah, so pretty quick one, guys. Pretty much you need to expect what you want, right? So a lot of times whenever you're starting, you want to make the call, you want to get that under contract, but you're not really expecting it. You're hoping or wishing, and hope or wish is not going to cut it. You got to believe that that's the call they're waiting for. You got to believe that the call, whenever you make the call, whenever they answer, they're going to be happy. They're literally waiting for you to call them. You got to believe that they're waiting for it. And so you expect it, and what do you think is going to happen? That's going to be the deal you're going to put under contract. That's going to be your first property you're going to wholesale. And so a lot of people go with fear. They're calling and they're kind of just hoping or wishing that that's the call they're going to really put one under contract. But you got to believe it. Really, like, it's all mindset, because you might be saying, yeah, I can help you, I can put under you know, I can help you put under contract, and then, you know, I have the cash, I have this for you. But they might be sensing, hey, like, it sounds good, like I like the deal that you're giving me, but I sense something, like there's something weird about it. Everything you're telling me sounds really good, but I don't know, I just feel weird, I just feel funky. And so they're gonna say no, because they sense it, because you don't feel it. You're just hoping or wishing that you can do it. So it's all mindset, really. Whenever you make the call, don't be scared, be excited, because think that that's the call they're literally waiting for, and you're the one that's gonna help them move their property, because they already need it. They need someone to help them. They need, you know, cash fast right now. And so maybe they do need the cash, but just because they send something from you, because you don't truly believe it, they're not gonna go with you. So mindset is literally everything.
I agree with that. So another thing I can add on to that, so he's talking about believing that it's gonna happen. Another thing is getting obsessed with the end result, right? So picturing yourself over and over again and what it would feel like if you made that happen. You mix those two together and there's no way it can't happen, I promise you. So like, that's like a little secret I do. I know it sounds kind of rah-rah. A lot of people think it's like, you know, like fluffy stuff, but it's real. So that's a lot of stuff people don't know about me. So like, I literally meditate like 2-3 times every single day on my goals and putting myself in the end result of my goal, how it would feel if I achieved it, and really put myself in that place. And I know it's kind of far off, and I know a lot of y'all think, but it's just a secret little thing that I do, that I've been doing for years, and obviously it's working, in my opinion, because my life has been changing drastically. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, no, that is very true, because think about this. You have a goal and you want it, but how would it really feel to have that goal? Like, really think about it. So a lot of times someone say, I want to put this property under contract, I want to, you know, earn this $10,000, $20,000 check, but you've never really thought about, like, how would it really feel? Like, how would it really change your life? And so you're just kind of hoping or wishing to do something, but like, sit down and visualize and meditate on it. Because once again, yeah, it sounds a little crazy, but try it. Just try it. Sit down, visualize yourself earning that $10,000, $20,000 check, and I can bet you that you're gonna start attracting a lot of things into your life. You know, the circumstances, the people, the deals. And now when you have the circumstances, you gotta act upon it. You have to act. You gotta listen to your intuition that is telling you, make the call, send the text, follow up. Don't fight it. Whenever you get that intuition, just go for it. And you're gonna be pretty much familiarized with the feeling of it, and the feeling creates the action. So now you're gonna take action and you're gonna close your first deal.
I love that. And don't forget what he said, take action. It's not all just thinking and feeling either, it's a lot of action. Right? So that's the part that some people, like, they watch The Secret or they read the book or whatever, and they're like, oh, I'm gonna just sit here and think my way into success. That's wrong too. You gotta take a lot of action, because yeah, I do meditate every day, but guess what I do right after I meditate? I get my ass to work, and I work a whole ass day real hard on that goal. So that's a part that people forget, and like, man, it's not coming true when you ain't putting on work, right? That's the main part of it. So yes, you do that. What we're talking about is real, but you also gotta, don't forget to put in the work. That's the main ingredient. So yeah,
so it all starts with the thought. So we're telling you, we're giving you some good advice, right? And I'm telling you, just do it, because whenever you're thinking about it, the thought creates the feeling, and the feeling creates the action, and the action creates the results. So first you have to think about you having the end result that you want, because it's gonna make you feel, subconsciously speaking, in a certain way so that you can take action. Therefore you're gonna get the results, and it's as simple as that. But you gotta start visualizing first, and then it trickles down to the feeling, the action, and the result that you want.
So I just wanted to leave you with that little tip, and just if you've never heard about this type of stuff and you're barely becoming aware, I'm happy for you, because 99.9% of the population never even hears about this and is aware of this little universal law, I guess. But I guarantee you, mostly all the successful people that you know of are on this. I guarantee you, they all know about this and they all do it. So guys, I hope I at least brought some awareness. Go down YouTube and go down a rabbit hole on mindset, on meditating, on law of attraction. It works, I promise you. Look up people like Bob Proctor. Who else?
Neville Goddard. But honestly, you know, I've been following Bob Proctor for quite a while, and it's changed my life. So pretty much everyone tries to learn the same laws, the same thing, expressed and said in different ways. So just kind of find people that resonate with you, who you are, and then just apply it. Apply it, because literally 95% is mindset. The 5% is when you take the action. But it all starts in the mind, because if you can't visualize yourself having the deal, closing the deal, it can never happen. It can literally never happen. So it all starts in the mind. Just look up Bob Proctor, Neville Goddard, maybe just look law of attraction, mindset stuff, and go in the rabbit hole like Jar said, and we can guarantee you your whole life is gonna take a whole spin into whatever you want. You know, it's literally gonna take off in the way that you can imagine it, because it all starts in the mind once again.
Yep. All right guys, so I hope y'all became aware, and y'all go down YouTube and you go just watch all the videos on that. So do that, mix that with learning about real estate or whatever it is you're trying to do, put it together, and I guarantee you in a whole year, if you do it every day consistently, your life will not be the same. Guarantee that. So I know Jose's life changed. So like, I met Jose through an Instagram DM.
Yeah.
And he took a whole lot of action, man. He literally came with just his truck and clothes from his car.
Yeah. Literally.
He started working with us, and within 6 months everything changed.
Yeah.
And now he's on a trajectory crazy. Yeah. But you know what it all took? It all took action, and it all took like having these goals in his mind.
Yeah. The belief that I could do it.
That was crazy, man. So you know, that just goes to show, guys, we're all self-made here, and we never had handouts. We didn't come from a rich family, and we're making it happen, and so can you. All right, so let's go check out this house real quick.
How can something happen that you don't believe in? You know?
Right, nice.
It's crazy. But some people are literally like just wishing or hoping, but that's not gonna cut it.
But man, the ARVs are good. I put 60 to 70 in work. So I mean, 225 times 65% minus 70 in work. That's 65%. So it's like 66%. Yeah. But I put 70 in work, being like, you know, it's a lot of work. If you can't do this for 70, shit, you know, like that's an accurate number. They're not gonna come here and be like, hey, this ain't, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hardwood floors, you know, good neighborhood, St. Mary's. So 225 minus 70 minus 79. It's a nice spread. This is just, I would make this into a patio. Like just take off the flooring, take off the walls, and just leave the roof and put like a slab. Just make it like a nice badass patio. Yeah. You know what I mean? Because it's on the floor right here. Yeah, in the corner. But if you did fix it, I put the 70 in here is to fix this. Yeah. You know what I mean? Because if you did fix it, like you just have to put a new foundation, new walls, but it adds a lot of square footage. Yeah. But I was thinking that, like if I was to rent it, I would just probably just knock it down and put a patio, a nice patio. Yeah. But I mean, in this neighborhood, 79 is crazy. There's nothing for sale less than 120, I think, for sale in the neighborhood. I mean, what do you think just by looking at it off those numbers?
I mean, the numbers look pretty good.
Yeah, the numbers are good. All right, guys, so let me know in the comment section what you think about what we're talking about today. So that's the number one reason why I think we are where we are in the wholesale game, and why, you know, we're able to reach you guys in general, because these are my goals. These are our company goals, and this is what we strive to achieve. So just let me know in the comment section what you think about that. What do you plan on doing, and what are your goals? Let me know that. I want to know that. And if y'all don't know yet, we have I'm doing a group mentorship call for only $99 a month. All right, so make sure you sign up for that. It's on my link in my bio. And if y'all want to talk to me on there once a week, there you go, 99 bucks a month. I made it, everybody could afford it. So, you know, I hope y'all like this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay clutch.